Presenting a pre-owned 2014 GMC Terrain SLT-2. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.6-liter V6 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This GMC has less than 166,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city, and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, battery saver, moonroof, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, and window defogger.